Hi guys, here is the honest review of MinuteKit. 7 complete lead and product funnels with lead pages, lead magnets, download pages, written emails, product upsells, product downsells, cross-sells, members area, you keep 100% of all sales. Hosted websites with entire product funnels, and ongoing affiliate sales from JVZoo, Warrior Plus and ClickBank. Using our traffic. World's fastest website collection ready in under 1 minute.
Hello and welcome to this short demo video where I'm going to show you how MinuteKit works, everything that's included, and how easy it is to get set up. Now first up, if you're not familiar with Funnelmates, you're really going to love this because we're using Funnelmates as a platform where we're delivering our funnels. So when you buy MinuteKit, you're going to get access to this whole system. And I'm going to show you the funnel section in just a moment. But to get set up, it's really easy. So we have in settings, you come here, click on settings, add your JVZoo ID in here. Now, if you've never had a JVZoo account or you're not sure what to do or where to find your ID, we've got some videos down here, so you do that. Once you save that, everything is branded. And I'll show you exactly what I mean by everything in just a moment. You're going to get 7 funnels. Each of these funnels.
If you purchase the product from the link in the description box, I am going to provide a free bonus. In order to get that bonus, you can contact me on my Instagram and send me a screenshot of your purchase and I will send you the bonus. You also have 30-day money-back guarantee.
So over here, we have a complete follow-up series, and you won't even see this. This happens automatically. When someone signs up for that free download, they will see a whole bunch of these really good quality emails, and we have a whole month's supply of emails. Now, the beauty of this is we are sending them to your sales page. See this here? Click more to find out today. We're sending them over to your, where is it over here? We're sending them to this to begin with, and as we progress through the sequence, we recommend other pieces, other bits and pieces, right? And they all go with your link, so it goes directly to your sales page, getting you 100% commissions. Now, so you can see, it's got a whole lot of really good emails written, and these will all go out. You'll get 7 like this. You need to just click on the promotional links. Now for this whole funnel, all of the upsells, downsells, everything, if you request for this, and this is in an account that we own, so we guarantee you approval. You don't have to worry about chasing up vendors. So you just need to log in. I'm not logged in on this account, but log in, request, and you'll see it's got 9 products in the funnel. So you can see all of the products in the funnel. You'll get 100% of all of those products in the funnel. So everything is going to be completely tagged to you. So you just need to send one request, and then all 7 of them, all the products in the sequence, everything is branded to you. So you only need to do that one. That one there's just so that we can link within the email sequence for you. But you don't have to request. Anyway, so when you get access to this, you send your request, and then on this funnel link and traffic kit, and we've got everything here for you. So you just, this is your link that's all ready to go. You've got a QR code. This is good if you're doing offline stuff, but we've also got a QR code there, obviously, specific to this. We have some banners here, so you can use banners. This is really cool if you need a bonus, like a back-end bonus or something like that. You can just copy and paste and it's already branded to you. If you click here, it'll post over to Facebook, and you can see it's already got your link here. So you can click post to Facebook, post on Twitter, post on LinkedIn, and we have an email swipe here. So if you already have a list, then you can go ahead and just copy and paste, and it already adds your name in here. I'm just using Andrew's account. I hope he doesn't mind. It'll add your link, it'll add your name, so you can literally just copy, paste, share this, and start building your list. And by your list, you can actually connect your own. So we have a whole bunch of integrations. Connect your Aweber, GetResponse, basically any any email service provider we have in there. And if we don't, you can contact us and we'll have a look into it and we'll try and get that connected.